So first pop out all your pieces of your loom. Just lightly run over it, all the face of your loom with the sandpaper. Make sure there's no little bits sticking out of the wood to snag your yarn. Same with all your combs. So you've got PM1, line up your arrows, push the top comb right down to the bottom so the arrows are exactly matched. So make sure that end bit is lined up too. So that's your PM1. Do the same for PM2 and PM3. Here's PM2, this is your twill comb for making 2x2 twill or herringbone. Match up your arrows as before, and make sure this little end bit is lined up with here, and before you slot them in you kind of have to push them in because there's a clip. They're designed to clip together, which keeps them fairly tight when you're weaving. So that's PM2. Here's PM3. So once again, line up your arrows, turn it over, make sure your little tab lines up. And you just need to push them in together, click into place. That's PM3, your diamond comb. Slot in your leg. So you do your left leg first. Pop in PM1, so pop it into the slot, the hole. Put your leg over the top. Slide that into position. You squeeze it and you should hear a little click. That's right. And then pop your handle over the top. And you're ready to start weaving.